Pinterest is one of the amazing app, my favorite. I'm looking up for my September design and I guess I have selected my September theme. You will see it in a few minutes. There are many applications which you all can use definitely for journaling and tracking your habits, but I like to do more it in a bullet journal or a copy so that I can customize it in my own way, like I can get a realistic feeling. So I like to do this without any app, just on my own. After completing my drawings, I realized that video went really long. That's why I have to edit it on 2x speed. Sorry for that. This month theme is going to be in shades of green and black, as I have selected. For each of the month, I usually do select one theme so that I can stick to one theme and be artistic and therapeutic at the same time. So I haven't kept my journal very simple, as you all can see. I like drawing, so this is basically the keys which we use in bullet journal to denote different things, like triangle is for birthday and star is for important stuff. So that is this. And so this is the September theme. I don't know why I went with this panda theme. As I was looking on Pinterest, you all saw. So I thought of green and cute panda theme. So this is the September calendar. This is a very basic mood tracker which helps me to track my mental health, like how my mental health is going in this month. And also this September month is going to be in shades of green, as I have chosen green and black, the panda theme. And I always go for a theme for each month, as it helps me to keep myself artistic and being therapeutic and all. So, and then we have this habit tracker. Currently I'm tracking my 5 habits, mostly sleeping on time and walking, because I have become very lazy in this lockdown period. So walking is very important, and then reading and doing my eye exercises. And this is my first weekly spread for this month, like not first weekly, as this month starts from Wednesday. So yeah, this is a basic weekly and it will be all in green shades.